the world of UX design. In this tutorial, we are going to animate sound effects in Figma. Let's get started. First, select a frame. Now again select frame and make a smaller rectangle like this and change its color. Go to fill and change color white to any color of your choice. I will be using this color. Perfect. Now we will select the frame. To select the frame, press it and enter Ctrl and D. Again enter Ctrl D. Perfect. Now select all the frames. Once selected, we will change the radius of the frames. We will go in corner radius and change the first two values to 10. Perfect. Also select the frame 2 and give it color black. Perfect. Now duplicate all these frames. To duplicate the frames, select the frames and press Ctrl D. Wait, yeah. Ctrl D as many times as you want. Okay. So now change the height of the rectangles like this. And like this. Perfect. Now select all the frames. Select all the frames and create component set. Perfect. Now we will go to prototype and here let's join this and change on click to after delay and change time to 50 milliseconds. Repeat the same for all the cases like this on after delay and 50 seconds. Again after delay 50 milliseconds. Select this frame and after delay 50 milliseconds. Now connect the first one to the last one and repeat after delay to 50 milliseconds. Perfect. We are done. Now let's drag our component into the frame I have already created. This was a frame I have created for demo purpose. So let's go and include it in this and this. Okay. To resize it, we will press K and tada! It is resized. Now let's see the magic. First select the frame and see it is moving very fast. You can change the time from 50 milliseconds to 100 milliseconds. It will move accordingly. Okay, I hope you like the design, and if you want me to design something of your choice, do let me know in the comments and do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.